what's up? Today we're going to be putting this finger built exhaust on this Grom. But the thing is that how it originally goes, so it connects down there and then connects to this right here. But it's a little disaster right here, and then it just connects to where I have my plate. And I really don't want it there because I want to lower it more, and then it'll hit this and the tire once it airs out. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just cut it from like right here, just to be sure. And then what my brother was saying is I can even have it chilling like this if I wanted to. I don't know, we'll see how it goes, I guess. But yeah, we're just going to cut it right here and then go from there, see how it's going to look. Alright, so I'm just looking on where I want to cut it. I'm thinking of just like around here or something. And just having it like that for now, and then maybe get that welded up on there, a little tip on the side. But I think we're just going to cut it around here, just so it can be straight, and then I can maybe get it fabricated so it can be sticking out this way after. But yeah, we're just going to see how it looks right now. Alright, so we just did some pretty bad cuts, probably fucked it all up. We're just going to connect it now and see how it sounds. The boy Adrian is helping me tying it up. Adrian, apretalo. Hell yeah. So what I was thinking is how it's pointing out that way, pointing it this other way where I'm at, like getting it fabricated, something like that. So I put that bolt on there, and I was trying to put the nuts on there, but they're too fat. It doesn't work. I have to find some different nuts for that now. Alright, so I'm going to just turn it on without those nuts on. Just push it up so it's in there. Got the key. That's how it sounds? Hell yeah. It sounds good. That shit's loud. So I'm going to just figure out this whole nut thing over here. Two nuts that go there. I like how it sounds though. I can also put this little thing, quiet it down a little bit. I'm sure that's what that's for. I think I am, because it's loud as hell. It's pretty much straight piped. So that's how it sits right now. That's how the exhaust is. So I just grinded up the sides on those nuts, and it works now. So I'm gonna just have to figure out something to do with that. I'm gonna have it pointing out towards me where I'm at right now. But I'm just have it like that for now. Probably do my writing endorsement before I go out on this on the streets, because it is loud as hell. But yeah, that's it. That's all it is to this. Alright, so that's the end of this one. It was just a little quick one. Doing that real quick. And my next one is just getting it fabricated, I guess, to how I want it. It is super loud, finger built exhaust, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, it's the end of this one. Later.